Etsy is a popular online marketplace for handmade and vintage goods. It is a platform where artists, craftsmen, and designers can sell their unique and creative products to a global audience. For many Etsy store owners, running an online shop is a full-time job. In this video, we will take a look at a day in the life of an Etsy store owner and provide tips on how to start your own online shop. Starting an Etsy shop. Starting an Etsy shop is relatively easy, and anyone can do it. To get started, you will need to create an Etsy account, set up your shop, and add your first listings. The process of creating an Etsy shop involves filling out a few basic forms, setting up your payment and shipping options, and uploading your product photos and descriptions. Once your shop is up and running, you can start promoting your products through social media, word of mouth, and other marketing channels. It is essential to optimize your product listings for search engines and make them visually appealing to attract potential customers. A day in the life of an Etsy store owner. Running an Etsy store is a full-time job, and it requires dedication, patience, and hard work. Let's take a look at a typical day in the life of an Etsy store owner. 6 o'clock a.m. Wake up and check emails. The first thing an Etsy store owner does in the morning is check their emails. They respond to any customer inquiries, address any issues that may have arisen overnight, and update their shop's inventory. 7 o'clock a.m. Breakfast and social media. After checking emails, the Etsy store owner has breakfast and spends some time on social media. They post updates about their products, engage with their followers, and respond to any comments or messages. 8 o'clock a.m. Production and order fulfillment. Next, the Etsy store owner spends a few hours producing their products or fulfilling orders that have come in overnight. This involves making the products, packaging them, and preparing them for shipping. 12 o'clock p.m. Lunch break and admin tasks. After a few hours of production and order fulfillment, the Etsy store owner takes a break for lunch. During this time, they also attend to administrative tasks such as accounting, bookkeeping, and inventory management. 2 o'clock p.m. Marketing and customer service. In the afternoon, the Etsy store owner focuses on marketing and customer service. They promote their products through various channels such as social media, email marketing, and advertising. They also respond to customer inquiries, reviews, and feedback. 5 o'clock p.m. Product photography and listing optimization. As the day winds down, the Etsy store owner spends some time on product photography and listing optimization. They take high-quality photos of their products and optimize their listings for search engines to attract more customers. 7 o'clock p.m. Dinner and family time. After a long day of running their Etsy store, the owner takes a break for dinner and spends time with their family. 9 o'clock p.m. Work on new product ideas. After dinner, the Etsy store owner spends some time working on new product ideas. They research trends and customer needs, brainstorm new product ideas, and experiment with different designs and materials. 11 o'clock p.m. Respond to late-night inquiries and wrap up. Before going to bed, the Etsy store owner checks their emails one last time and responds to any late-night inquiries. They also wrap up any unfinished tasks from the day and prepare for the next day. Tips for starting your own Etsy shop. If you're considering starting your own Etsy shop, here are some tips to help you get started. Research your niche. Before starting your Etsy shop, research your niche and competition to understand customer needs, trends, and pricing. Create high-quality product photos. High-quality product photos are essential for attracting potential customers to your Etsy shop. Use natural lighting and high-quality cameras to capture your products in the best possible way. Make sure your photos are visually appealing and showcase your product's unique features. Write compelling product descriptions. Your product descriptions should be informative, engaging, and highlight the unique features and benefits of your products. Use keywords and phrases that potential customers are likely to search for to improve your product's visibility in search results. Offer excellent customer service. Respond to customer inquiries promptly. Address any issues or concerns, and provide clear communication throughout the buying process. Offer a hassle-free return policy to build trust and confidence with your customers. Promote your shop through various channels. Use social media, email marketing, and advertising to promote your shop and products. Engage with your followers, respond to comments and messages, and use hashtags and keywords to improve your visibility in search results. Continuously improve your products and shop. Always strive to improve your products and shop. Stay up to date with industry trends and customer needs. Experiment with new materials and designs, and listen to customer feedback to make improvements. Thanks for tuning into our video about the day in the life of an Etsy store owner and how to start your own online shop. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you're thinking of starting your own Etsy shop, remember to research your niche, create high-quality product photos and descriptions, offer excellent customer service, and promote your shop through various channels. Running an Etsy shop can be a fulfilling and rewarding business venture, but it also requires hard work and dedication. By following these tips and staying committed to your goals, you can build a successful online shop that offers unique and creative products to a global audience. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and information about entrepreneurship and online business. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.